What's up, YouTube? So I'm doing a maintenance service, which is an oil change and tire rotation, and this is the air filter that's completely clogged. This engine at this mileage should also have a fuel injection or a GDI service, and she asked for an oil change and tire rotation. You know, an oil change and tire rotation in the customer's language is, they should be trained to say, my vehicle needs maintenance, please check it out and tell me what it needs. But the dealerships don't teach the customers that, and it's just the way that it is. But if you're bringing your car in for maintenance, an oil change is maintenance, a tire rotation and balance is maintenance, and if you just ask for a straight rotation and you don't balance the tires, you could wind up with a shake. So now that we're touching your wheels, now we're going to inspect the vehicle. So I'm spinning this wheel here by hand, and you can see I'm not using a whole lot of effort here. Let's do it again. That's my left hand, and then I'm going to go to this wheel over here and spin it. Notice how it doesn't spin. So something's hanging up on this wheel here. It should spin fairly easily. So something's going on here that needs further inspection. Could be stuck brake pads, could be stuck hardware, could be a bad caliper. And then the vehicle's in neutral. You see how that spins? So since we're touching the wheels and tires, we must road test it before and after we work on it, and then evaluate the vehicle. Be lucky. So since the air filter's nasty, I suspect the cabin air filter's bad too. So we're gonna prepare some 60K maintenance services here because it's just about 60K. But something is wrong here. Thanks for watching.